Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bain Group, and today I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook. We will cover the following items: create a template and send an email using the template. This Outlook feature will help you save time when sending emails frequently that tend to be repetitive. For example, you can use templates when sending PTO or schedule updates to your team or department, sending out a newsletter, or common customer service responses. This feature is not yet available in the new Outlook, so I'll be using the classic version. Let's get started. First, open Outlook, and to create a template, click New Email. Add in your subject and body. You can also add recipients as well. Once you are done, click File and Save As. In the dialog box that opens, enter a name for your template. And in the Save As type drop-down, select Outlook Template. By default, templates are saved in this location, but you can choose where to save your template. Now click Save. I'll close this window. And now to use the template, select New Items, More Items, and Choose Form. In the Look In field, select User Templates in File System. And now the default templates folder opens. If your template is saved in a different folder, click Browse and select your template from the location that you added it in. Click your template and click Open. From here, you can make changes to your recipients, subject, or body if needed. When your message is ready, click Send. Creating and using templates is as simple as that. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.